So, you've braved the volatile world of cryptocurrency, dipped your toes in the exciting waters of Bitcoin, and now it's sitting pretty in your Gemini account. But what if that Bitcoin starts whispering sweet nothings about real-world uses, about that new gadget you've been eyeing, or that dream vacation? Can you break free from the digital vault and turn your Bitcoin back into cold, hard cash? The answer, my friend, is a resounding yes. Gemini, like most reputable crypto exchanges, allows you to withdraw your Bitcoin, but there are a few things to consider before you initiate the great escape. Security first, destination unknown. Before we delve into the mechanics, let's talk about where your Bitcoin is headed. Unlike a genie, your Bitcoin won't magically appear in your bank account. You'll need a secure digital wallet, a separate app or hardware device, to house your Bitcoin after it leaves Gemini. Think of it as a private island for your cryptocurrency, away from the exchange. There are two main types of wallets. Hot wallets, these are software applications you can download on your phone or computer. They're convenient, but since they're constantly connected to the internet, they're also more susceptible to hacking. Cold wallets, these are physical devices, often resembling USB drives, that store your Bitcoin offline. They're the Fort Knox of wallets, offering the highest level of security, but they can be a bit more technical to set up. Planning your escape, selling versus transferring. Now, how you withdraw your Bitcoin depends on what you want to do with it. There are two main options. Sell your Bitcoin for US dollars. This is the most straightforward way to access your funds. Gemini allows you to sell your Bitcoin at market price and then withdraw the US dollars to your linked bank account. There will be some fees involved, so keep that in mind. Transfer your Bitcoin to a wallet. If you plan to hold onto your Bitcoin or use it for direct crypto purchases, you'll need to transfer it to your secure wallet. This process involves copying a unique address from your wallet and pasting it into the withdrawal section on Gemini. Be super careful here. A typo or sending your Bitcoin to the wrong address could result in a permanent loss. Step by step, the Great Bitcoin Escape, Gemini Edition. Alright, with the basics out of the way, let's walk through the withdrawal process on Gemini. Remember, for the most up-to-date instructions, always refer to the official Gemini website or app. Log into your Gemini account. Navigate to the transfer section. This might be located on the top menu bar or your account dashboard. Choose Withdraw. You'll see options for both fiat currency, USD, and crypto withdrawals. Select Crypto. Since we're transferring Bitcoin, this is the one you want. Choose the Bitcoin you want to withdraw. If you have multiple Bitcoin accounts, make sure you're selecting the right one. Enter the destination address. This is the unique address from your secure wallet. Double check, triple check, then quadruple check for any typos. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. Review the transaction fees. Gemini charges a small fee for Bitcoin withdrawals. Review all the details carefully. Once you're confident everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal. The waiting game, when will my Bitcoin arrive? Bitcoin transactions can take some time to process, depending on network congestion. It could be anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Patience is key, young crypto adventurer. Mission accomplished, but remember. Congratulations! You've successfully withdrawn your Bitcoin from Gemini and secured it in your private wallet. Remember, the cryptocurrency world moves fast, so stay informed about security best practices and keep your wallet software updated. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.